Hi, this is Amit from Digital Inspiration. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can write a Facebook app in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, you just have to go to the Facebook developers site at facebook.com/developers and add the application to your Facebook profile. Once added, you will see a link that says set up a new application. Click that link. Give your Facebook application some name, it could be anything. For this application, we'll say my virtual business card. Agree to the Facebook terms and conditions and save your changes. Now the basic stuff is in place, so let's associate a logo with this application that just makes it easy for people to recognize your apps. You can use the blog logo or anything else. So we'll just upload an image to our application and Facebook will automatically associate it with the application. Let's also add a description because that makes it easier for people to find it through Facebook applications directory. Then head over straight to the Canvas tab and there you'll see render methods. You have to choose between iframe and FBML. For this example, to keep things simple, we'll choose FBML. Choose FBML and save changes. Now we are done on the Facebook side. Let's open our Linux server where we'll be hosting the PHP files of the Facebook application. So let's assume that your domain is example.com. Now we'll create a new directory, subdirectory in the domain that, let's call it Facebook, that will be actually hosting the PHP files or the application. So switch to the Facebook directory and download the template that's mentioned in the blog post. Now this template has basically everything you need to build a basic Facebook application. So download the file and rename that file to index.php. Now let's look at the contents of this index.php file. Now it has basically a few things that you need to change. One is the app key and the other is the app secret key. Now all this information is on the Facebook page, so you just have to copy paste those strings into your index.php file. Now the next thing you need to change in this file is the HTML code. This is basically what will be shown to people who add this application to their Facebook profiles, right? So in this application, what I've done is I've created a very simple HTML file that includes two icons and a search box. So the code is very simple. You can use Dreamweaver or just about any WYSIWYG editor, even Notepad will do. So just copy paste all this HTML code, not the body or the HTML text, but just the HTML code that's used to render those icons and the search code and the search box, and paste it into your index.php file. Now we need to do one more thing on the web server side. We need to copy the Facebook libraries onto our server. So the link to download those client libraries are on the Facebook site. Just copy that link and download the libraries to your Facebook server using wget. You can then use tar and gunzip to actually extract the files from these archives, right? Since the tar files were extracted in a new folder, we'll just move files from the Facebook platform folder to one level up. Now you need to make one more change to your application settings. Go to the Canvas tab again and just populate the URL fields. Now the Canvas page URL is actually a vanity URL that you can choose for your Facebook application. It can be anything as long as it's not taken by another application. And then you have the callback URL. This is the full address of the server that's hosting the Facebook app. So in our case, it's at example.com/Facebook. So after making these changes, just save it, and your Facebook application is now ready for use.